stand up. Alright, I have a question for you guys. Are you ready to sing a happy birthday song for Cassie?
Yes!
Yes! Dahil dyan, let's sing it 3, 2, and 1. Happy birthday! Clap your hands! Alright, since this is Cassie's special day, we have a magic word to say. And that magic word is Happy Birthday, Cassie! Let's all shout the magic words in 3, 2, and 1! Happy Birthday, Cassie! Alright, give yourself a round of applause. Ayan, you may now take your seats, guys. Thank you so much. Especially happy birthday celebrant. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Any birthday wishes po? For parents? Say Cassie.
Hey Cassie, say your wish to the mic.
Wish. What's your wish?
I want to have Barbie clothes.
I wish pala para kay Casey.
I wish that you will grow strong and healthy and a good girl.
Yes, favorite daddy. Papi birthday.
Birthday kasi.
Yes. Alright, let's shout the magic word in 3, 2, and 1. Happy birthday, Cassie! Alright, thank you so much. You may now take your seats. Let's see.
Happy birthday to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! That's so good. Shoulder, head, head, shoulder, wrist, toes, 1, 2, 3, shoulder, wrist, toes, head, What's your favorite subject? Example nga, Ate Ann. 1 minus 1 is 36. Again. Cassie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8.
Happy birthday, Cassie.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 points para manalo. At kailangan galingan dahil ang losing team meron ulit punishment. Ayan. So, ayan. Sir, palabas na lang po sa linya. Ayan, hanggang yan lang. Tama? Ayan. Hanggang sa line po kayo. Yes. Dahil dyan, let's start our round 1. Okay, raise your head. Shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulder, shoulder, knees, knees, toes, toes, head. Head pa lang, head pa lang. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, toes, head, 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 top. Okay, raise your cup, raise your cup. Alright, give to that 1 point. Pagagalit po ng cup. Knees, toes, toes, head, shoulder, shoulder, knees, 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 toes, head, shoulder, toes, toes pa lang. Head, head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, top. Oh, careful guys, careful. Balikat ulo, taas, tuhod, balikat ulo. Toes, 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 knees, 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 head, 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 head. Tayo-tayo toes sa camera. Okay? Yes. Dahil dyan, you will be contestant number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay? Okay na po yung music. Alright, let's start. Please welcome contestant number 1! Palakpakan naman natin! Yes! Contestant number 2! Contestant number 3! Yes! Contestant number 4! Yes, contestant number Dog. Okay. Paano yun? Okay. Let's see.
Happy birthday na lang.
Stay lang tayo sa group 1 because you have a perfume pala. Nasaan po yung mga group 1? Ano na yung group 1 na? Group 1 first? Ayan, kasali din tayo na arrangement sila. And then, sa kabilang steel. Ayan. So, yung kasali manalo, you have to win 3 points.
Would like to thank everyone for coming and lalo-lalo na po sa mga medyo malayo yung pinagdali niya. And this is the day. Thank you so much for